Crypto enthusiasts and treasure seekers, if you haven't heard of Treasure Tapper, you are in for a treat. Today, we are delving into a project that's generating a lot of excitement in the crypto space. This project comes from Gala Games, the very company that inspired me to start this YouTube channel. Their past successes are legendary, and this new venture could be even bigger. Imagine turning $100 into $6,000 with a single crypto investment. The project we are discussing today has the potential to surpass even those returns. We are exploring a game-changing opportunity that's set to revolutionize the crypto world, and you are among the first to hear about it. Welcome to the future of crypto. Forget about pixel tapping or other tap swap games. Today, we are introducing Treasure Tapper Coin, a new cryptocurrency making waves. So why is Treasure Tapper Coin so special? It's backed by Gala Games, a giant in the blockchain gaming industry. During the last bull cycle, Gala Games turned modest investments into substantial fortunes with returns of 50 to 69 times the initial investment. What makes Treasure Tapper unique? Treasure Tapper Coin is not just another crypto project. It's a tapping game on Telegram where you can earn coins by tapping, leveling up, and increasing your earning potential. The more you tap, the more coins you accumulate. It's simple yet addictive and easy to start. This project is less than a week old. Being an early adopter in cryptocurrency can mean the difference between modest gains and life-changing wealth. The platform's interface is user-friendly, designed for both crypto newbies and seasoned veterans. You can get started right away by clicking the link in the video description. Treasure Tapper Coin is evolving rapidly. The developers are constantly adding new features and enhancing the experience. Recently, they introduced a daily reward system where users can earn up to 5 million tokens just by logging in daily. There's also a robust referral program where users can earn 5,000 tokens for each friend you invite. The platform includes a section where users can complete social tasks for additional tokens. It's a clever way to engage with the community while boosting your digital wallet. Gala Games has a proven track record of success in the blockchain space. They are leveraging their expertise with Treasure Tapper Coin. While there are always risks in the volatile crypto markets, the potential reward could be substantial for those willing to take a calculated risk. The crypto landscape is always shifting, and staying informed is crucial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to ensure you never miss out on the latest updates and opportunities in the world of cryptocurrency. Don't miss out. The link to join Treasure Tapper Coin is in the description below. Early adopters often reap the biggest rewards, so take action now. Start tapping and you might become part of the next big crypto success story. Thanks to my channel members. Special thanks to my amazing channel members for your support. You made all this possible. Until next time, keep your eyes on the blockchain and your finger on the pulse of the crypto world. Fortune favors the bold and the early. See you in the next video.